Have you ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of subscriptions? You're not alone. Many of us have fallen victim to the subscription trap, signing up for services we barely use. And when it comes time to cancel, it can feel like a daunting task. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Rocket Money and explore how you can effectively cancel your subscriptions through this popular financial tool. Hook. Have you ever tried to cancel a subscription and felt like you were playing a game of hide-and-seek with the unsubscribe button? It's frustrating, right? Well, Rocket Money might just be the hero you've been waiting for. What is Rocket Money? Before we get into the cancellation process, let's briefly discuss what Rocket Money is. It's a personal finance app designed to help you manage your finances more effectively. One of its key features is its ability to identify and track your recurring subscriptions. How to cancel subscriptions with Rocket Money. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How do you actually cancel subscriptions using Rocket Money? Here's a step-by-step guide. Download and sign up. The first step is to download the Rocket Money app from your device's app store and sign up for an account. Link your accounts. Once you've created an account, you'll need to link your bank accounts and credit cards. This will allow Rocket Money to track your transactions and identify your recurring subscriptions. Find your subscriptions. After linking your accounts, Rocket Money will scan your transactions and present you with a list of your recurring subscriptions. You can filter this list by category or search for specific subscriptions. Choose the subscription to cancel. Once you've found the subscription you want to cancel, simply tap on it. Cancel the subscription. Rocket Money will provide you with instructions on how to cancel the subscription. This might involve clicking a link, sending an email, or calling customer service. Confirm cancellation. After following the instructions, Rocket Money will ask you to confirm that you've successfully canceled the subscription. Additional tips. While Rocket Money can make the cancellation process easier, there are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Double-check the cancellation. Even after confirming the cancellation, it's a good idea to double-check your bank or credit card statements to ensure that the subscription has been canceled successfully. Be persistent. If you encounter difficulties canceling a subscription, don't give up. Be persistent and continue to follow up with the company until the issue is resolved. Consider using a subscription management service. If you have a lot of subscriptions, you might want to consider using a subscription management service like Trim or Truebill. These services can help you identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions, and they often offer additional features like negotiating bills and finding deals. Conclusion. Canceling subscriptions can be a tedious and time-consuming process, but Rocket Money can help streamline the process and save you money. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions and take control of your finances. Outro. So, there you have it. That's how you can cancel subscriptions using Rocket Money. Remember, taking the time to review your subscriptions regularly can help you avoid unnecessary expenses and save money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.